Hey kids, so I'm without my mic, but I think that this should be fine. And I just want to start getting these videos out to you, so I'm going to try and do these fast so that they all get posted and you have a chance to do it. So these are order of operations problems, so I'm going to write up top PEMDAS, P, parentheses, E, exponents, MD, multiplication and division. They go together. A, S, addition, subtraction. They go together in the same step, whatever you come to first from the left. So if it comes up, we'll talk about it. Okay, so I'm going to take the first one, number 7, 5 parentheses 9 minus 6, close parentheses, squared, divided by 3. Because there is, up here, P in parentheses, there's something to do in the parentheses, something to simplify. You might have a situation where you have something like -2 in parentheses, like 7 times -2. You don't want it to be 7 minus 2, so you have the parentheses to show that it's a negative number, 7 times -2. Well, in that case, there wouldn't be anything to do in there. So you need to know when P, parentheses, actually indicates something to do. And in the case of what we're looking at right here, there is something to do in there. We can simplify 9 minus 6 into 3. So then we get 5, parentheses, 3, close parentheses, squared, divided by 3. Now we're at the exponent step. We need to do the exponents before we can do this multiplication. Can't do that? That's in a later step. We have to do the exponent first. So what is 3 to the second power? 3 to the second power is 9. 5 parentheses 9, that's what it's simplified to, divided by 3. Now, we are going to do this 5 times 9 first. Not because M comes before D. These actually go together. We're going to do this first because it's the first thing we get to coming from the left. That's the rule. These happen on the same step, and you do either one of them depending on what you get to first coming from the left. And in this case, coming from the left, we get to 5 times 9 first. So 5 times 9 is 45, divided by 3. You always keep everything else the same. You do one step, you simplify one bit of it, and you keep everything else the same. And then 45 divided by 3 is 15. That is your final answer, and as you can see up top here, for problem 7, D is 15. So that's good. Now, let's try purple, and we're going to do number 8 over here. So we've got 2 parentheses, 7 plus 9, close parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, 9 minus 1, close parentheses. Now, we need to do what's in the parentheses first because P says parentheses first. And this will never interact with this until much later, until this step. So there's no danger in completely simplifying this and simplifying this on the same step. The problem would be if doing something would somehow change the order in which it should be done, but here that will get done completely and that will get done completely before they ever get multiplied by this and then divided. So no danger if we do these all in the same step. Okay, so we're going to do 2 parentheses, what's 7 plus 9? 16. Divided by 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. Technically, you don't need the parentheses around this anymore. It's not going to change it if you do or if you don't, but I'll leave it there for just a moment. Okay. Next step. 2 times 16 is 32, divided by, and I'm going to just drop the parentheses, divided by 8. Last step, 32 divided by 8 is 4. We're going to box our answer, and you can see that C is the correct answer for, let me do that in a different color just so you can see it a little better. C right there is the correct answer, and we're done.